We're back with another beef dish for you. Today we're making birria burritos. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Okay, we're going to start off with the sauce for the birria, which consists of dried chilies. We have guajillo chilies that I've removed the seeds and the stems. We have ancho chilies, and then we have a few chile de árbol. We have about 5 cloves, cinnamon stick, and about 2 bay leaves. We have 2 plum tomatoes. I'm also adding 2 tomatillos just for a little bit of acidity. You could also incorporate vinegar. And then we have about 1/4 of an onion. Okay, so all this we're going to put in a pot. Okay, then we're going to cover it with water. And we're going to boil this for about 10 minutes until the chilies are nice and soft. Okay, so I strained the liquid from the chilies and the tomatoes and tomatillos and the onion. I'm just going to add it to a blender. I'm also going to add about 1 cup of that cooking liquid and 1 cup of beef stock. To this, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander, ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and about 4 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to place the top and blend. Okay, we're going to put this inside. Okay, so the type of beef that I'm using today is a sirloin roast. Typically a beef chuck roast is used, but I had some beef sirloin on hand, and I think it's going to give us a really tender birria. All I want to do is salt it generously on both sides, as well as some pepper. Okay, so here I have my Instapot. We're going to pressure cook the beef just to save some time, but I want to sear the meat first, so I'm going to press the saute button. Okay, and to this we're going to add some olive oil. Okay, then we're going to add our beef to the pot. Okay, then we're going to flip it, and then we're going to pour in our salt. Okay, now we're going to place our lid. Then we're going to hit the pressure cook button, set it for about 1.5 hours, and allow that to pressure cook, and it's going to come out super tender. Here we have our birria meat, super tender, it just breaks apart. Now we're going to soak it up a little bit with that birria broth. That beautiful red color. Okay, another component to this dish. I have some cabbage mix here that I'm just going to add a kind of like an avocado sauce. I basically took 1 avocado, a small can of salsa verde salsa, some mayo and some sour cream, some spices like cumin, coriander, and we're going to add this to the cabbage. And it's going to give our burrito that crunch element. Just mix it up. We're now ready to make our burrito. Okay, so we're going to assemble the burrito. I have a extra large tortilla wrap, flour tortilla. And the first thing we're going to lay down is the base, which is some cilantro rice. I love rice in my burrito. Then I have here some Monterey Jack. And I'm going to put it in between the rice and the meat so that the heat will begin to melt that cheese. Take our birria meat, put it right in the center. Smells amazing. that slaw that has that avocado dressing. Fold in the sides and then roll it up nice and tight. Then we want to take a sharp knife, cut it in half. Then we're going to serve it with the consommé. Then we're just going to dip it into that consommé. Then we're going to taste it. Oh wow.
If you like this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.